Good morning, students. Today I will start chapter number 2. Is matter around us pure? What do you mean by matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and has some mass, like pen, pencil, chair, table, book. All these are matter because they occupy space and has some mass. On the basis of physical classification, matter is of three types: solid, liquid, and gas. On the basis of chemical classification, matter is made up of pure substance and mixture. Pure substance means when we say a substance is pure, it means that the substance is made up of only one type of constituent particles. A pure substance consists of single type of particles. Or you can say that a substance is pure single form of matter. Depending on the chemical composition, matter is classified into the two types: pure substance and mixture. Pure substance include the elements and compounds. Pure substance is made up of single type of constituent particles like gold, water, etc. Based on the nature of constituent particles, a pure substance is of two types. First is element, second is compound. The term element that was first introduced by Robert Boyle in 1661. An element is a basic form of matter that cannot be broken into simpler substance by the chemical reactions like copper, oxygen, iron, mercury. These are the elements. Element is a pure substance. On the basis of variation in the properties, elements can be classified as metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Metals. A metal is an element that is malleable. Malleable means that can be hammered into thin sheet. And ductile means that can be drawn into wires. Sonorous means make a ringing sound when hit. And conduct heat and electricity. They are shine and have silvery gray in color, like gold, silver, iron, copper, mercury. All these are metals. Mercury is only the metal which is liquid at room temperature. Next, non-metals. Non-metal is an element that is neither malleable nor ductile and don't conduct heat and electricity, like hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and chlorine. Here, bromine is only non-metals that is liquid at room temperature. Next, metalloids. The elements having intermediate properties between those of metals and non-metals, that is called as metalloids, like boron, silver, germanium, antimony. All these are metalloids. Next is compound. Compound have fixed composition, means can be broken down into elements by the chemical reaction. It means a compound is a substance that is made up of two or more elements chemically combined with one another in a fixed ratio by mass. Example like water, methane, carbon dioxide, sugar, salt, ammonia, sodium chloride. All these are compounds. Why water is a compound? Because water is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. 2 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen combine to form a water. So 2 multiply 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen, ratio 1 multiply atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. It means 2 ratio 16 means 1 ratio 8. That ratio is fixed for water molecule. Now next is mixture. Mixture are constituted by more than one kind of pure form, that is called as substance. Most of the matter around us exists as a mixture of two or more pure components like seawater, minerals, soil, etc. All are mixtures. Mixture composition is not fixed, means mixture is also made up of two or more elements which are chemically combined in any ratio but not a fixed ratio. Mixture is of two types: homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means, homo means same, means its composition is uniform, means a mixture in which the constituent particles are uniformly distributed throughout without any clear boundary of separation, that is called as homogeneous mixture. Means you take the example of sugar in water, means sugar solution. Here no visible boundary is present, and its composition is uniform, means same composition over all whole solution. Salt solution in water, water in alcohol, all these are homogeneous mixture because their constituent particles cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Soft drink, petrol, biogas, alloys, all these are homogeneous mixture. Next, heterogeneous mixture means a mixture that does not have uniform composition, means they have visible boundaries of separation between its constituent particles. It can easily seen with naked eyes or under a microscope. Example: sand plus sugar, sand plus salt, water in oil, sugar plus salt. All these are heterogeneous mixture. A polluted air, muddy water, all these are heterogeneous mixture, means its composition is not uniform. Now one question arises: what is the difference between compound and mixture? This is a very important question. Compound, in compound, definite elements are present in a fixed ratio, but mixture, the substance mix in any ratio. In compound, elements combine chemically to form a compound. In mixture, chemical reaction does not take place during its formation. Compound, constituent particles lose their properties. Mixture, constituent particles retain their property. In compound, their constituent cannot be separated by simple physical method. In mixture, their constituent can be separated by simple physical method. Compound is always homogeneous in nature. A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Thank you, students.